Guys, this is Dimple D'Souza and welcome to another new video of 2025. So after the whole travel vlogs, I thought why not to start up with something different for you all and come up with things where you guys should know knowledge on this. So I'm going to do a haul video for you all, which is the budget friendly haul video. So basically we go out and we spend bombs and bombs of money on ourselves when it comes to beauty products or beautifying ourselves. So basically I have bought few stuffs where it is budget friendly, where you spend thousands and thousands of rupees outside, same thing which you can do it at home with a less budget. So with a less budget, let's start off with today's haul video. So the first thing is where I went and picked it up is Clean and Confident Precious Detailer from the company Val Home Products. Quick, easy, pain free. So basically this is a trimmer and it's a facial hair remover. So it's a machine where it's a trimmer and facial hair remover. I will definitely do a review on it totally, and I can open the pack and show you on a different video, but now I'm just doing the haul video. And well, this is to remove your whatever extra hair you have for eyebrows, for upper lip, for chin, for forehead, for cheeks, wherever, the full facial hair. It even removes for the bikini line, okay, and it even shapes your eyebrows. So basically it's a really needy product for a lot of girls out over there. So I picked this up for 900 rupees, and you can pick this up too, and you can do this every time you have hair growth. You can just use this machine and it's done. So there's a battery over there. You have to put the battery and use it. Very nice and very handy. So even if you're traveling, you can take and go with yourself. This L'Oreal Casting cream and gloss conditioning color, no ammonia, so it is very good for your hair. And this is a dark, I picked up the dark brown. So basically I keep having gray hair, or I keep changing my hair color, I keep coloring, so that's why I went and picked this up. And this is for 679 rupees. It's a worth a buy, because when you go to a salon and for such a big hair, it is a bomb. I spent 8,000, 9,000 just for hair coloring and that. So you can do that at home for 679 rupees. Okay, the next thing which we all go and spend a lot of money is for our nails. Nail extensions, when you go out over there, first you have to do your bookings that we want so and so time. You have to invest time, which is approximately you have to give 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours over there. So there's time waste, plus its money is a bomb. Okay, so they charge from 5,000 rupees to 8,000, 9,000 rupees according to how designs you want, which is waste of money. This is from the product called Glam. So this is the fake nails, where you can stick this on your nails and you can take it off also easily. So for that you get this glue also. Okay, this is the Glam nail glue. So this is basically 100 rupees, okay, and this is 300 rupees. Okay, so in 400 rupees you get your nail done with a good quality nails at home, where you spend the same thing, exactly same thing, for 5,000, 6,000 rupees when you have to go and do it at any nail studio. So yes, I picked up the purple one, I picked up the pink one, the vibrant pink, the vibrant purple, and this was, the costing was 300. Then I picked up some designer nails also from Shills Professional. So these are some designer nails I picked up from Shills. You see, 250 rupees, and this is 250 rupees. So basically you can do nail art for 250, okay, with a glue of 100, which is 350 at home, than spending 6,000, 7,000. And I will teach you, if you guys want to know how this is supposed to be done, do leave your comments down. I will teach you how to do it at home. It's very easy. I picked up few hair stickers, okay. So I love playing with my hair. I like to do like different styling on my hair because my job is like that. So I picked up some stickers, and it's a reasonable 50 rupees, 40 rupees, one is 100 rupees depending upon the quality. So these are the stickers I picked up. This is the pink one, and then I picked up 2 silver ones like these. Picked up one pearl, a colorful sticker which I picked up. So yes, this is, you can apply it in your hair and you can go about it. Then I picked up 2 hairpins, okay, like 10 rupees, 15 rupees. And now, one thing which I picked up was a little expensive, but I think it's worth it that I picked it up, because I love styling my hair and all that, and you know, every day I come with different looks. So I do broadcasting, and plus I do live sections, and plus I'm into fashion field. I'm a stylist, I'm a YouTuber, a lot of things, so I keep having different styles. So I picked this up, and it's a very pretty piece. Okay, it's very unique. You don't get such pieces out over here. It costed me 400 rupees. Yeah, and I think it's worth it, so I picked this up. So we go for a lot of things for our skin, for our face. Okay, sometimes hydrofacial, sometimes it is Botox, sometimes there's laser, injections, beauty injections, I don't know what not we do to our skin, facial cleanup. So instead of wasting so much money out over there, okay, budget friendly, you get this Korean sheet mask where you can pick up and you can apply it on your face. So there are different Korean sheet masks which I have picked up. So this is buy one get one free offer, where everywhere it is in India you can go and pick this up. So this company is from Herbani. So first I picked up retinol. So retinol is very famous. Everybody knows what retinol is, because if you are into beauty line and all that, retinol is very good for skin. Okay, so I picked up this sheet mask from retinol. I picked up Berry Berry face sheet mask. All are from Herbani Korean brand. Then I picked up red wine. Then I picked up an aloe vera. Then I picked up in vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, picked up in charcoal. So this was buy one get one free. I picked up 5 and I got 5 free. So yes, this were 10 masks which I picked up, where you have to apply this on your face and you can leave it. I can even do a proper review on it, and tell you how it is and how the product is. So you can go and pick up. This is from Herbani Korea. So this I will do different review and definitely do the video and show it to you all. Today was just a haul video. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm back after such a long time. A lot of videos are coming up for you all. So that's it. This is Dimple signing off. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye. See you. Sayonara.